Hello there, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to draw a cute panda ghost? Well, let's get started. And these are the colors that I will be using. All right, so to start off with our panda ghost, you're gonna draw a curved line just like that. And then at the bottom, we'll just do some squiggly lines. We'll attach it, okay? All right, so now to make it look like a panda, we're gonna just draw the ears. So curved line on each side, okay? And you can just shade this in black. And then the hands, again, a curved line. And then on the other side as well. Okay, and the feet. So again, sort of like the letter U, just shade it in. So it's sort of like the panda is wearing a ghost costume. Okay, so now the eyes, we're gonna draw two oval shapes. So there's one, and here's the other one. Okay, and I'm gonna just use a thin Sharpie for the little circle inside. Okay, and then you can just color it around here. And then on the other side, oops, just gonna shade it in as well. Okay, so I'm just gonna even it out here. Okay, so the nose, just draw a little upside down triangle and then bring one line down, curve it, and then another one on the other side. Okay, all right, and then if you like, just add this, you can just shade in the cheeks pink. All right, so ghosts are imaginary beings from stories, folklore, and tradition around the world. So ghosts are not real. People like to dress up for Halloween. There's stories that often say that the ghosts can float through walls, make things move, or appear in places. Okay, so it's just something fun to dress up as. Okay, so here I just colored the nose red as well. Okay, so here is our panda ghost. Boo! So before I go, I have a cute little joke. How does a ghost cry when he's sad? Boo-hoo! Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Boo!